Well, hello, everybody. This is a stay-at-home grandmother making homemade apple juice. And here they are. Thought I lost my glasses. Me and these glasses, we just. Anyway, I cut most of them, but I didn't cut all of them. Put this down just a little bit more. I didn't cut all of them because I didn't want to take away from the experience of slicing and peeling the apples. So anyway, how's everybody doing? I'm doing fine. As fine as can be expected. Um, I have two cousins in Massachusetts who have the virus. I just called my cousin yesterday to tell her, what she had to do and what she had to drink and all that. And, because she's at home and she's going to try not to go into the hospital, but she has asthma, so she has to be very careful. Um, and then her daughter has it. So I'm also saving these apple peelings that I'm taking off because I'm going to make some apple cider vinegar as well for cleaning and all that. I'm actually going to make apple cider vinegar and orange vinegar for cleaning. So stay tuned for that. Took a day off, did some things around the house. I'm here anyway, so it doesn't really matter. These apples go in here. I think you can see that. And then I'm here anyway, so I did something. Oh. But I'm home, most of the time anyway. And I like being home because when I was working, like I say before, all the time, I was out and gone all the time. Sometimes from early in the morning until late at night. So I appreciate being home. But for other people, it's been really hard, especially when you're not working. So, everybody just pray for one another and just hope for the best. That's all we can hope for. And pray. God will straighten it all out. For those of you that don't believe in God, believe in something because this is no joke. And this is something higher than the government. Although the government might think they had something to do with it, I don't. And I don't even think. Pray for your president, no matter whether you like him or not, because he is our president. We have to give him a little bit of respect. That's all I'm going to say on that matter. Anyway, moving right along. So, how's everybody's day going? Mine's going fine. This goes in here. This goes in here. Just I'll put a little bit of lemon juice in here. I'm also going to put, when I put the boiling water on, the water is not boiling for this yet. It's boiling for the vinegar, but if you put it my mother put it in cold water and then brought it to a boil and then turned it down. Because you get two things out of this. If you do it right, you get the juice out of this and then you get applesauce as well. So I'm also going to put cinnamon in it. So you'll see what I do. But anyway, kind of trying to talk to everybody and see how everybody's doing because I know that it can't be good. You know, I know you just make the best out of whatever situation comes along. That's what my mom used to say. And like I said, I was born after the Second World War. I was born in 48. So, we were still under that rule of blackouts and air raid drills and all that kind of stuff. So this reminded me of, and my mother was a prepper from way back. We had a basement in our house and she had everything in that basement, everything you can imagine. So, having said that, and also she was a young girl in the Depression, so you know you learn from whatever. So I've been a conservative prepper, but yet a prepper. So somebody gives you a bag of apples, and you don't know what to do with it, you can get 3 things out of those apples. You can get apple juice. You can get apple cider too, but I don't feel like fooling with it. I might do it another time. But you can get apple juice, you can get applesauce, and you can also get apple cider vinegar, which is real easy to make. And I don't know why more people don't buy it. Vinegar in and of itself, okay, is a little bit different than apple cider vinegar, but I will at some point do the vinegar as well. But you know, vinegars are good for you. Although I like apple cider vinegar and balsamic vinegar the best. Champagne vinegar I use for cooking, but the balsamic vinegar I like. Don't ask me why, but I do. I haven't tasted all the vinegars. The rice vinegar and the other vinegars I use for cooking. But the orange vinegar is a new recipe that I'm trying because it's for cleaning. But I can also use it for cooking if I wish. But we'll see. This is going in there. Got 3 more, and then I'll show you the procedure. Okay, so in this, I probably should have bought the pot over here, but the pot's kind of heavy because it's got water all in it. And some things I can't carry, so I got to do the best that I can. And even with my arthritis, I'm peeling these because, like I said, I got a bag full of apples. I think they were $1. And I'm not an apple pie eater, really. I used to be years ago, but I don't know. Funny how when you get older, your taste buds change. You know what I mean? So I like apples, but I like applesauce, and I like apple cider, and I like um, apple juice, and I like apple pie sometimes. I think I made a pretty decent apple pie, so that was good. But I don't know. So I'm feeling almost finished. Got 2 more. I'm gonna put a little bit of lemon juice in there too as well, just so it won't brown, but. Anybody might come in here, so don't. Even though we don't have any visitors, the relatives come in to check on us, and my granddaughters come in, and they're more than welcome, So the 2 oldest granddaughters, the 2 youngest granddaughters, they don't come. They're right up the street, though. I just went by to see them this morning and waved to them and took them some stuff. So, last one. Isn't that great? Now, after this last one, we're going to put the little ingredients in there. And then we're going to put this in water. And then I'm going to come back, and when it's done, and show you how I filter it out, which you probably already know. Nobody's filter is different than anybody else's. But I am going to show you what I'm going to eat. I'm adding 2 cloves of ginger in this one. And then, I didn't put this in there. I just got this. This is the brown sugar. So I'm going to put 2. I'm going to put 2 of those in here. 2 tablespoons full. I didn't put this in the box, the pot, the jar yet. Talk much. I'm just going to pour some in it. How about that? I'm not even going to measure. We've got 2 cloves of ginger in it. That's about 2 tablespoons full. If it needs more, I'll taste it before I strain it out. Okay, so behind me, there's a pot. It's right behind, it's directly behind me. I'm going to get up and I'm going to, I forgot the lemon juice. Put this back in the bag so it won't spill all over the place. Nothing like getting sugar to spill all over the floor and everything like that. Have you ever had that happen? That is so disheartening. Okay, so we'll put a little bit of lemon juice in here. Just a little. And this is bottled lemon juice because I don't like wasting lemons like that. So that's a tablespoonful. So now I'm going to get up and then I'm going to put this in the pot. And then I'm going to come back later and show you this, but I'm going to come back later also and do the apple cider vinegar if I can get up. Yeah, I got up. Good. Okay. So in goes the apples. Here's the pot right here. Okay. So it's turned down real low. Let's hope it doesn't bubble over because there's a lot more water than I anticipated it should in there. I think all right. Okay, so that's it for that, and I will be back later to show you the apple cider vinegar. I love you. Take care. God bless. Stay safe. Bye-bye. See you in the next video.